hard is the Julia, but to continue battling for the DC.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm feeling well, good. Was a hard stage. I felt good up that climb, so I gave it a try. I was up there with Primož. It looked quite good for a moment, but yeah, we got caught, and in the end I tried to do a sprint. Was not the best one, but we still have 4 stages to go.
Tomorrow is the really hard finish. It's not the best for you, the hard finish, but you must try.
Yeah, I didn't check it yet. We're gonna see tomorrow, and at the end, I will give my best. That's for sure.
And for the rest, the final day in Arrate, really hard.
Yes, I think every stage is very hard. I think this race is well known for 6 hard stages, so I think there's not one day to really rest.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thank you.